Wells Fargo provides its customers with free access to their FICO Score 9, one of the most widely used credit scoring models by lenders. This valuable service is available at no additional cost through both their mobile app and website. To access your free FICO score, you must meet several eligibility requirements. You need to be an active Wells Fargo customer with a qualifying account such as checking, savings, credit card, or loan account. You must also be enrolled in Wells Fargo online banking, be the primary account holder, and maintain your account in good standing. Accessing your FICO score through the Wells Fargo mobile app is straightforward. First, log into the Wells Fargo mobile app using your credentials. Then navigate to Account Services or look for Credit Score directly on the main dashboard. Finally, select View FICO Credit Score to see your current score and related information. You can also access your FICO score through the Wells Fargo website. Sign in to wellsfargo.com with your online banking credentials. Navigate to the Account Services menu, then select either Credit Score or FICO Score. This will take you to a detailed view of your score information and trends. Wells Fargo provides FICO Score 9, which is a newer version of the FICO scoring model. This version treats unpaid medical collections less harshly than previous versions and may include rent payment history. Your FICO score is typically updated monthly, giving you regular insights into your credit health. With your Wells Fargo account, you have everything you need to start monitoring your credit score today. Simply log into either the mobile app or website, navigate to the Credit Score section, and begin tracking your financial health with monthly FICO Score 9 updates. Wells Fargo provides FICO Score 9, which is the credit scoring model used by approximately 90% of top lenders when making credit decisions. This means the score you see from Wells Fargo closely matches what lenders will actually use to evaluate your creditworthiness. Understanding credit score ranges is crucial for interpreting your FICO score. Scores range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better creditworthiness. Let's examine what each range means for your financial opportunities. Your FICO score is calculated using 5 key factors, each with different levels of importance. Payment history is the most significant factor, accounting for 35% of your score, followed by amounts owed at 30%. Understanding these factors helps you focus your efforts on the areas that will have the greatest impact. To get the most value from your Wells Fargo FICO score, follow these best practices. Check your score monthly when updates are available, but focus on trends over time rather than minor monthly fluctuations. Small changes from month to month are normal and don't necessarily indicate problems. While Wells Fargo provides valuable FICO score monitoring, it's important to remember that it shows only one of the 3 major credit bureau scores. For a comprehensive view of your credit health, combine Wells Fargo's score with your annual free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. Wells Fargo's credit score feature serves multiple practical purposes in your financial life. Use it to monitor your credit health before major applications like mortgages, track improvements while rebuilding credit, identify credit issues early, and detect potential fraud or errors more quickly through regular monitoring.